Today we had a very limited amount of time for riding, but it never stops us from getting a short ride in. It seems like as the weather is getting warmer and nicer, I'm just getting more and more excited about getting a ride in every day that I possibly can. And even when I don't have a lot of time, even a short ride, I always say, it's my little favorite saying, a short ride is better than no ride, and a long ride is better than a short ride. I guess you can figure the rest of it out. It did turn out to be a great day to ride. But today we got all our chores done. We got enough time left in the day to get a short ride in, and every day possible we want to get a ride in. There's never a day I get up and I say, well, I really don't want to ride today. Well, I don't know, I guess I'm addicted. What can I say? Everybody that knows me knows the whole reason for having these motorcycles, the whole reason for restoring them and polishing them and cleaning them, is so you can ride them. And today, we're going to have enough time to get a nice riding. So let's hope the weather holds out. Only a few clouds in the sky, and it's probably in the mid-50s, going to 60 degrees today. Always a great feeling to have all those chores done and be ready to go. And the open road is calling, and it should be a beautiful day. Okay guys, it's time to eat. It's time to eat. Okay, yeah, I know. Shall I scratch your nose or not? Alright, all the fish are fed and it's time to ride. And boy, it's a blue skies day. Just a few clouds in the sky, no leaves on the trees. And this bike does not have a quick shifter. And luckily, not much traffic out today. And some of the roads still seem to have a little salt on them. Oh, I missed that quick shifter. Oh. I gotta find out if they make a quick shifter kit for this bike. And there's deer in this area. Here in slow motion, this is just one of the deer encounters I had today that got pretty close. And those deer encounter can happen anywhere, highway or back road. And as the day went on, it warmed up real nice. Probably up over 60 degrees by the end of this day. A long ride or short ride, this bike is always fun. Nice and quiet. You don't attract a lot of attention. Got a nice fresh set of Michelin 2s on it too. Just an all-around good day. I was surprised how little traffic there was today. And some young kids doing dirt bike stuff. Now, unfortunately, there's still a lot of potholes in the road, too. But not much takes away the fun of a day like this. A great day. And spring is truly in the air. Now, I was surprised I only saw a couple of other bikes out today. I'm not sure how much more fun you can have than we had today. And hey, before I end the video, I want to thank the healthcare workers. Guys, thank you so much. I so appreciate the stuff you do. And that sign out in front of my house, that'll be there for a long time. Anyway, we had a great day. We took advantage of a nice little gap in our personal things that are going on here. We're in the middle of a time doing a lot of work around the house, doing a lot of gardening, a lot of little things we have to do, and of course, babysitting our grandson. So, hope you did enjoy the video. Thanks so much for watching.